Ahmad. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you Newton's second law in a conceptual way. Okay, so don't be mucked up. Okay, don't be remember things by your heart. Just think about logically. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, according to Newton's second law, the acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the force. Then acceleration is inversely proportional to mass of the body. For example, this is an aeroplane. Okay, an aeroplane is moving in the sky, so there would be some mass of the aeroplane, and some force will exert on aeroplane, and it will take some acceleration. Okay, so these three are the factors. You could apply this logic onto other things. Okay, so it is an easy way to understand. Now these are two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now I have to compare equation 1 and equation 2. So here acceleration would be common. Okay, acceleration is directly proportional to F dot 1 divided by m, or acceleration is directly proportional to F divided by m. If acceleration will be high, then force will be high. Okay, force exert on the body will be high. If acceleration is high, then mass of the body will be low. Okay, according to the inverse and the direct proportionals. So now I will solve, and so here this divide will be multiplied here. Okay, then force is directly proportional to ma. Then if we will wipe out this proportional, there will be some certain constant. Okay, k m a. So this is a spring or any other constant. Okay, k is. So Newton's second law has been proved. Okay, proved in a logical way. So you should think out about everything in logical way. Okay, thank you so much. Please tap on the subscribe button.